Hi friends, in this video I will explain you that how you can adjust image color and tone in the Photoshop using camera raw filter. So camera raw filter is a very professional tool, and professional options there are which we can use, which we can apply to our images to adjust the image color and tone. So how we can apply? First of all, open any image in the Photoshop. Like you can see, I have opened this image. Then go to filter and apply from here camera raw filter, or you can use the keyboard shortcut key as well, shift plus control plus A. Control plus plus we can use also here for the zoom, and then press and hold space. We can move the image when we have opened this camera raw filter. Now you can see on the right side we have different options which we can increase or reduce to adjust the image colors and tone. For instance, first of all we start with clarity. You can see the image clarity like this. If I move this here, you can see Photoshop camera raw filter will increase the clarity. See, if I move here, see, like here it will increase, and here like this. So first it was like this, now you can see. Exposure we can also control of this image, you can see. And contrast we can reduce or increase. See, highlights also we can reduce or increase. You can also control shadows. See, if you see carefully, like her hairs, see, when I will reduce, see, and whites of this image also we can control, and blacks if you want you can also control. And then temperature, like see, you can also use temperature. Tint also you can control, and then vibrance and saturation if you want you can also control. So these are the some options which we can apply to adjust the image color and tone. See, now click OK. See, so we have changed the images, like image tone we have changed. Image is now more clear and looks more professional. See, so easily you can apply. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.